Hello Bandura, kamo na chu, Ami Balu Aji. So guys, for today's video, so I am dropping my plastic bottle here at Sparkloop machine. Yes, I have already 3 bags plastic bottle that I already saved, and now I will put in the Sparkloop machine. As you know that I'm collecting plastic bottle and it will be converted to petrol. Yes, this one I'm dropping here in Sparkloop machine. So before on that one, guys, shout out to my weekly engagement list. So shout out to MD Jahid Hassan Babu, okay, shout out to Najarul Aiski, shout out to Soma Chaudhary, yes, shout out to JM Mamuno Rashid, shout out to Nelidari Basak, shout out to Funny Video, and shout out to La Funesa Lata. Shout out to Manik Barman. Shout out to MD Imranul Huki. Shout out to Nurul Islam. Yes, thank you so much for always engaging on my video. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. And to all my tough fan, yes, to have tough fun in Kabayan in Dubai. Shout out to Shivani Metra. Shout out to Sky Tough Lounge. Shout out to my top fan, J.M. Mamuno Rashid. Shout out to Rosemary Noeles Domingo. Shout out to MD Majumel Bifari. Thank you so much, bro. Shout out to Autumn Bonarji. Shout out to Swapna Mukherjee. Shout out to Rizul Karim. Yes, thank you so much for always engaging my video. Shout out to Chris Blag. Shout out to MD Ziraj. Thank you so much, brother. Shout out to Sister Pianca Piho. Shout out to MD Farouk Hussein Ridoy. Shout out to Shirley Chico. Thank you so much. Shout out to Ribul Hussan Parves. Thank you, brother. Shout out to Chodori Abbas. Shout out to Tani Akhtar. Shout out to Adrija Chowdhury. Shout out to Regine Kumbi. Shout out to Leah Preto. Thank you so much. Shout out to Jarna Gos. Thank you so much for always engaging my video. Shout out to Idol Noel Ekmat. Thank you so much. Shout out to Suhil Rana. Thank you, bro. Shout out to Khair Alalam Auto Garage. Shout out to Ruel Rana. Shout out to Maa Ambeka Medical Center. Shout out to Sandeep Pramanik. Shout out to Food Vice 02. Shout out to Siegfried Oriha Jola. Shout out to Bachu Ali. Thank you, brother, for always engaging my video. Shout out to IPWC. Yes, thank you so much, guys. To all my top fan, thank you so much. Shout out to top fan Tashmima Mim. Yes. Shout out to Janitun Katun. Shout out to Wenard Arsenio Ritero. Thank you so much. Shout out to Janatul Zanat. Shout out to my brother Sandeep Roy from India. Shout out to Rofa Khan. Shout out to Tamasa Suprio. The couple are very awesome. Shout out to MD Mamun Rahman. Shout out to Azizul Huki. Thank you so much, brother, for always engaging my video. Shout out to Saparna Pramanik. Shout out to Priyanka Bayan. Shout out to MD Kwasar Hussein Muna. Shout out to Rovil Ali. Shout out to Prabir Singh Roy. Shout out to Betal Black. Shout out to Ram Kishore Chaudhary. Thank you so much, brother. Shout out to Luke Mardi. Shout out to Rikta Ghost. Shout out to Ritu Atari. Shout out to Tushar Actor Blog. Thank you so much. Shout out to Aripa Tiny Family. Shout out to Sandeep 2.0. Shout out to Dipali Das. And shout out to MD Tariq Hussein Ali. Shout out to Asuk Kumar Singh. Shout out to Gerald Bellacorte. Thank you so much, brother, for always engaging. They have also Bengali words or Hindi words. I cannot read the name. Shout out to Rinal Barman. Shout out to MD Emranul Huki. Thank you, brother. Shout out to Ripon Baija. Shout out to Sheikh Technology. Shout out to Habib Mahalud Zibun. Shout out to the Foodie Nation Bangladesh. Yes. Shout out to Muhammad Susan Islam. Shout out to Ridoy Creator. Shout out to Afia Actor Mooney. Yes, thank you so much sister for always engaging my video. Shout out to Deep Duty Das. Shout out to Leon Mundol. Shout out to It's Key Passion. Shout out to Abi, yes. Shout out to Abdullah Al Mamun, yes. Shout out to Krishna Das. Shout out to MD Ali Hassan. Shout out to Jit Ray. Shout out to Atowi Rio. Shout out to MD Zahidul Islam. Shout out to Muhammad Iqbal Hussein. Shout out to Surajit Karmakar. Thank you so much guys for always coming and giving some comment on my video. I really appreciate your present. Shout out to Zuzin Zanzoy Gain. Yes, shout out to Jonah Elardo. Shout out to Zayed Asaruddin. Shout out to Kamrul Islam 7428. Shout out to Aisa Sarip Malangkat, my neighbor in my village. Yes, shout out to Tofa Akhtar, my beautiful sister from Bangladesh. Shout out to Santu Zana. Shout out to Lendi Gabu. Shout out to Santana Roy. Thank you so much. Shout out to Zaman Ritonga. Shout out to Pushpindu Baistar. Shout out to Emma Mul Islam. Shout out to Shakanta Mundal. Shout out to Jusim Iski. Shout out to Abadul Shubu. Shout out to Gufail Malik. Abdullah Hussein Shubu. Maya Handicraft BD. And Sanjay Das. Yes, thank you so much for always giving some comment on my videos. And I really appreciate you, all of you guys. Shout out to MD Shajalal. Shout out to It's Bablo Barwa. Shout out to MD Razil Raj. Shout out to Anabia Islam Anisa. Shout out to Kushi Birul. Shout out to Rabiul Huki. Thank you so much. Shout out to MD Neon Say. Shout out to HM Zurib. Shout out to Nayam Roy. Thank you so much for always coming and giving some comment on my videos. Shout out to Binhar S. Nani. Shout out to Anjani Sardar. Shout out to Rain D, my beautiful sister. Shout out to Akbar Ali Bas. Shout out to Saraj Ghosh, my big brother, at always coming on my comment section. Shout out to Anusri Berman. She is very always share my videos. Shout out to Anindita Dar. Thank you so much. And shout out to Jarna Mundal, always giving message to me. Shout out to Pentori. Shout out to Indira Kuru Brian. Thank you so much. Shout out to Rose Pit World. Thank you po Tita for always coming on my content. Shout out to Jalal Hussein Jalal. Shout out to MD Rahman. Shout out to Kaya Day. Thank you so much. Shout out to Mustafa Pizur Vlog. Shout out to MD Iqbal Hussein. Shout out to Suplada Eli. Shout out to Don Bo. Shout out to Zin Vlog. Shout out to Zara Tasnim. Shout out to Rufa Katun. Shout out to Munor Hussein Uzul. Shout out to MD Aminul Islam. Shout out to Saiful Islam. Shout out to Muhammad Nayam Islam. Daily Palkonit. Rinjina Sardar. Thank you so much to the love and support that you are giving to my content. Shout out to Sir Ritis Sir Bihari. Shout out to Sanjis Vlog. Shout out to My Dream. Shout out to Pooja Gumis. Shout out to Papi Sarkar from UK. Shout out from Ria Lahiri, the beautiful sister. Shout out from Zarib Zayan Vlog. Shout out from MD Monabi Hussein 9029. Shout out to Ria Mundal. Shout out to Elizabeth Castillo. Shout out to Moniro Saman Moni. Shout out to Sweetie Foul. Shout out to MD Sahidol Islam Bapi. Shout out to Soma Sarkar. Shout out to Toy Dakuno. Shout out to Shoots Handa Roy. Shout out to SR Rana HD Media. Shout out to Armer Jahan 0.02. Shout out to Bilkis Fatima. Shout out to MD Rosil Hussein. Shout out to Musumi Singha Rajput. Shout out to Dajma Katun, the beautiful sister in Bangladesh. Shout out to Sharmin Akhtar. Shout out to Lifestyle by Rimi. Shout out to Shamim Multimedia Brother Rakibul. Shout out to Rumo's World. Shout out to Parumita Sadhukan. Shout out to Divika Sarkar. Shout out to Bilal Hussein. Shout out to Sabrina Apostol from UAE. Shout out from Bangladesh, Sudir Sarkar. Thank you so much. My handsome brother. Shout out Eski Saipul. Shout out to Aparna Ayan. Shout out to Ashik. Sheikh Ahmed. Shout out to Bangla Boys. Shout out to Shafiq Islam. Shout out to Asam Khan. Shout out to Amr Hussein. Shout out to Jean Burley Montaliana Kabuay. Yes. Shout out to MD Jahid Hussein. Shout out to Rani Berman. Shout out to Halano Marma. Shout out to Pinky Sikdar. Shout out to Nisha Roy. Shout out to Jampa Sardar. Shout out to Ayan Armor Amo. Shout out to Tanja Majavin Tuma. Shout out to Tunada Gayin Das. Shout out to Arian Islam. Shout out to Subi Katun Auntie, my beautiful sister. Guys, a lot of followers that I have. Shout out to MD Abdullah Al Hilal. Shout out to Sajan Malik, Maudibnat, Saidul Mundal, Suhani Sidika, MLN Lisa, Shamaligos Metra, Sharjan Ali, RM Ronis, and Masumi Mundal, Kabita Chakraborty, Puja Biswak Barik, MD Akmor Hussein, Sin Ahmed. Thank you so much for the love and support that you are giving to me, guys. Ami to Mother Shobay ki Onikunik Balubasi, don't know bad.